You are going to love the 2019 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, auto headlight on/off, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, trip computer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.